So this is the DevaFuser. Listen, I know it looks weird, okay? But this is actually the most amazing thing ever. So see these little holes right here? They deliver air to your hair that most diffusers can't reach, getting all the way to the root to help dry your hair faster. So the DevaFuser gives you volume and definition without the frizz. No frizz happening. There's also this ceramic inner core that helps preserve your hair's natural moisture and luster while speeding up the drying process. It's really easy. So this is, you just go like this. Look, you're ready to go. Rock on, dude. It not only works on this blow dryer, but it can work on any other blow dryers. You're ready to go. Tilt your head to one side, turn it on, and you want to get the hand in the root so it dries the root first. You really want to make sure that you're patient, so you're drying one section at a time.
Once the roots are dry, we're going to move on to the ends of your hair. So you're just going to want to take the ends of your curls and scrunch upward towards your scalp and just repeat this motion.
It really just goes up and inside of your curls. As you can see, it just gets in all those really hard to reach places, and when you hold it in one spot, so much of your hair gets dry because of the different holes that it has all around it.
All right, and these are the finished results. Beautiful, defined, wavy curls.
So this is what my hairs look like when I'm done drying. As you can see, there is zero frizz, which is my favorite part of using my DevaFuser and Deva dryer.
Every other diffuser I've used always has given me frizz, and it just never looks good. But there's no frizz with this thing. There's no frizz with this thing.